Ideally, you want to take the holiday before you start this parikrama. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this is in Chaitanya Charitamrita, it was mentioned there that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came here and he started when he saw holiday, Haribol, 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 and they perform Harinam Sankirtan here. This was established by Vajranath 5,000 years ago. I told you, 4 Dev. Govinda Dev, Baladev, Keshav Dev, and Haridev. So these are part of the original 16 main murtis which established by Vajranath. Haridev Mandir, Krishna is on like Giridhari Lal. This lifting Govardhan. This left hand is raised.
Donation is Mahaprasad.
Lagyan mo.